Good morning to all of you. Today we will going to study about the simple or present continuous tense. We already have done simple present tense in our previous classes. I hope all of you understand. If you have any doubt, please raise your hand in simple present tense. In simple present tense, you know that the action happen every day as a habit or a routine or a daily event. Okay, in simple present tense, in day-to-day life, day-to-day work. Okay, these this present things are happening in routine or in your habits or in your daily events, and in this we use the verbs are very simple, and we use s or es in our verbs. When we use simple present tense, we use the verbs in we, we put verbs which is uh, we use s or es. Or when we talk in simple present tense, we use words such as usually, often, always, never, generally, daily, every day, every morning, every evening. Means we are using the simple verbs, okay? And along with the helping verbs, we use main verbs. Now, in present continuous tense, we what do you mean by present continuous tense? The present continuous tense refers to the action that is happening at the moment of speaking. That is happening at the time of speaking. So simply, I'm going to see over here on the board. Board is a little bit dirty. Present continuous tense form like the subject means the person, okay, the subject plus we add is, verb, or am, or if there is more than one person, we use are, and plus ing. We use ing form of verb. Like, for example, over see, working. Work plus ing, working. Then eat, eating. Eat plus ing. Okay. So you will see at my back on the board, when we start using present continuous tense with the subject, we use is, am, are plus ing. ing is the form of verb. जैसे हम लोग ने पहले शुरू किया था, फर्स्ट in present in present simple present tense we do not use ing in the verbs, but in present continuous tense we use ing. Working, work plus ing. Eating, eat plus ing. We use ing form of verbs. Okay, so with I we use am. We in he we use he, she, it is a singular, so we use is. You, we, they are plural, है ना? So we use are with them. So these are the things I've given in your books also. So ing, why we use ing? Because the in present continuous tense refers to the action that is happening at the moment of speaking. So at the time of speaking, so we use ing. How we use it? Use this form. We use the present. Look into your books. We use the present continuous tense to refer to all action that is going on at the time of speaking. Whatever we are doing, whatever the things we are doing, whatever the action we are doing is in the continuous form, in the continuation of the speaking. ठीक है, जो भी एक्शन हो रहा है वो हम उसी समय जब हम बता रहे होंगे उसी समय वो एक्शन जो है वो चल रहा होगा in the time going on at the time of speaking. For example, birds are flying in the sky means when I am seeing the birds flying in the sky, the bird is already flying. Okay, so it means that the birds are flying even at the sentence is spoken. Even at the sentence is spoken means when I'm speaking to you, that see that these birds are flying means that birds is already continuing flying. It is in the continuation. Second is to express an action that is planned for the future. For example, my father is going to London next week. So over here is also, you see the verb. We use helping verb is, and going. Over here, see, going, ing is used, and it is planned or arranged to take place in near future. So this is also a present continuous tense. To talk about future arrangements, usually used with time expressions like next week, at Christmas, tomorrow. For example, Tanya is coming back next week. So this is also a present continuous tense, next week, because we are talking about the future arrangement. So what is happening in the future or under process, or the process is going on. So when we are talking about these type of sentences, these type of things, that means that it is a present continuous thing. The things are continuing, happen or happening in the near future, or the things are under process. When the things are under process at the time of speaking, that means it is called the present continuous tense. Okay, I give you for some examples also, for like to express an action that is going on at the time of speaking, like he is reading. He is reading. For example, I give you he is reading means the moment at the moment reading going on. He is reading means when I'm speaking someone that he is reading means that person is reading. That person is reading going on. उसकी रीडिंग हो रही होती है जब मैं ये बात बोल रहा हूं. Okay, means Siddharth is drinking milk. Siddharth Singh is drinking milk means the Siddharth, when I'm speaking to you, when I'm telling to you that at that moment, the Siddharth is, the process is going on. The Siddharth is drinking the milk at that moment. The process is going on. That means this is the continuation of the set of the tense of the sentence. Means जो process हो रहा है, काम हो रहा है, जब मैं बता रहा हूँ कि this Siddharth is drinking up his milk, means जब मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको तो उसी समय वो अपना मिल्क पी रहा होता है. ठीक है, the process is going on. That means it is in continuation. It is in continuation. Present continuous tense इसी को कहते हैं कि present में जो काम हो रहे होते हैं, जो काम चल रहा होता है और आप उसके बारे में बता रहे हो, पर वो हो रहा है, चल, it is in continuation. That means it is a present continuous tense. Like I give you two more example. I am learning means I am learning. They are playing. And in all these verbs you see ing is added. Ing is added with the subject. I have already told you subject means the person or thing, and we add is, am, these are the helping verb, are is the helping verb, and plus we put a verb ing. Okay, समझ में आया? We subject plus helping verb is, am, are, and we put ing with the verb. Like over here, I am learning means I is a subject, am is a verb, and learning, learn is a verb plus ing, learning. समझ में आ रहा है? All of you understand what I am saying? Clear to everyone? Now there is one more way to use present continuous tense for an action that is planned or arranged to take place in the near future. Right now, I already told you in this from the book that for an action that is planned or arranged to take place in the near future, आने वाले समय में जो चीजें होने वाली हैं, in the near future. I am going to party tonight means tonight we are going to have a party. So this is also called a present continuous tense. I am leaving for Delhi today. I am leaving. Leaving is the verb ing for present continuous tense. Means in the near future you are going to leave for the Delhi. So that is called a present continuous tense. Now, one more way we use present continuous tense to describe changes taking place. Changes means the climate changes or the price are changes. So to describe changes take place, like for example, I give you the example, pollution is increasing day by day. Pollution these are the example I'm telling you. Pollution is increasing day by day. We are talking about the pollution is the subject, is the verb, and increasing is the helping verb, and increasing is your verb ing. Day by day means it is undergoing process, means वो बदल रहा है. जब हम उसके बारे में बात करें, when we are talking about the pollution, means everyday pollution is increasing. In the present continuous tense, simple present continuous tense, we are always talking about the things which are happening day by day, or which are the habits, or the events, the things which are happening every day. So over here is also this pollution is increasing day by day, means the things, when we are talking about the pollution, the pollution is increasing at that moment also. मतलब जब हम pollution के बारे में बात कर रहे होते हैं तब भी pollution जो है वो बढ़ रहा होता है. तो that means that is called the present continuous tense. means जो चीजें continuity में जब हम बात कर रहे होते हैं और वो उसी समय जो है वो continuity में होती चली जा रही होती है. This is the undergoing process. This is the correct word. The things are in, when the things are in process, when the things are under process. So that means when we are speaking about that things और वो चीजें हो रही होती हैं, that means it is called present continuous tense. Over here, price are increasing. Price are increasing. So this is also going undergoing process. So it is come into an present continuous tense. One more type, for a temporary action which is for a specific duration. Remember, student, listen carefully. For a temporary action means थोड़े समय के लिए है. Temporary action, temporary means for a short time. Temporary means for a short time, for short duration. For a temporary action which is for a specific duration, it can be possible that the action is not actually happening at the time of speaking. Okay, it is not actually happening at the time of speaking. For example, I give you, then you will understand better. I am learning music. I am learning music means you are learning music for a temporary or a specific duration. This is a temporary time. Means whole day you are not going to learn the music. पूरे दिन तो आप म्यूजिक को लर्न नहीं करेंगे, है ना. आई एम लर्निंग म्यूजिक मीन्स यू लर्न द म्यूजिक फॉर अ टेम्पररी टाइम और अ स्पेसिफिक ड्यूरेशन. For a specific duration, for half an hour, for 1 hour, for 2 hours. After that, the action will stop. You stop learning the music. So this is also comes under a present continuous tense for a temporary action which is for a specific duration. It can be possible that the action is not actually happening at the time of speaking. ये ऐसा टाइम होता है जब आप बोल नहीं रहे उस, ठीक है, और एक्शन हो रहा है. I am learning music. This is the temporary action. I am watching movie. You are watching movie for 2 hours or 3 hours for a temporary duration, for a specific duration. So this is also, I am reading a book means when you are reading the book, the action is going on at the present time and it is under process. Means when you are doing the reading, it is under process. आपका वर्क हो रहा है, आपका उस समय काम, you are reading your book, your action is going on, it is under process. That is, the continuity is going on. You are reading the book. I am reading the book. The reading ing is put in the verb and the action is going on. Then that is also called present continuous tense. So this, in your, come back into your books, you see the structure given in your book. The structure of the present continuous tense is given in the declarative sentence. The subject is I. We write I, and with I we use helping verb am, and the main verb is learning. You can write any other verbs also, but you have to add ing with the verb. With the main verb, you have to add ing. Okay. Then with you use are, helping verb, and main verb is learning. Then he, she, it, and the name Molly, you use I, helping verb. We use are and the main verb. And main verb कोई सा भी हो सकता है. You are reading, learning, dancing, but in the main verb you add ing. Clear? When you write the main verb in the present continuous tense, you add ing. Then with the you use are, and main verb is learning. They, Molly and Sarah, we use are, helping verb. The same way over here in the negative sentence, we use I, you, he, she, it with am, are, is. And with helping verb, we use not, because when we use not, that means it is a negative sentence. Never, not, that means it is a negative sentence. And we use the main verb with ing. Come to page 53. You see the interrogative sentences. Here also, interrogative sentences are a question based sentences. We end with a question mark. So here also, here the helping verbs are always come first in the sentence, then the subject, and after that main verb. Okay. In are you very sad? Are you very happy? So this is the sentence where are is coming first in the helping verb. As helping verb comes first in the interrogative sentence. So we use helping verb am, then subject I, and the main verb, like that. This is the way to go through it, and I hope you all of you understood what I am saying. And with question, we always use when, why, how, what, who, and where. All of you clear? What is present continuous tense? समझ में आया? क्लियर हुआ आप लोग को? नहीं हुआ है आप लोग फिर से पूछ लीजिए. Just raise your hand. I am going to clear all your doubts if you don't understood what I am saying. Present continuous tense, the things which are in the continuity. Continuous means the continuity is the undergoing process. The work is undergoing in a process. When you are speaking, means the action is happening at the moment of speaking. वहां एक्शन हो रहा होता है जब आप उसके बारे में बात कर रहे होते हैं. क्लियर? कोई भी एक्शन होता है आप देखते हैं, वो एक्शन कंटिन्यू हो रहा होता है जब आप उसके लिए बोल रहे होते हैं. दैट मीन्स it is called the present continuous tense. Clear? Shriyansh Yadav, clear? Praise, Paristesh, Yash, all of you clear? Sudhanshu, Manasvi, Arya, Ekansh, Agrima, all of you clear? नहीं आपको नहीं समझ में आएगा, again I repeat this lesson. Okay. So I hope all of you understand. So that all for today. I give you these some exercises from the book in your PDFs. So go through it and make a fair copy for it. है ना? जैसे आपने उसमें बनाई थी in your unit and midterm. Same way you have to write these exercises in your books and in your literature question answers and SST in your fair copies. Correct? Right? Okay. So that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.